Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to use the tachymeter function on your Seiko Chronograph watch.
If you are new to the channel, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and also check out our two websites, watchesineurope.com for watch reviews and tutorials, and vintageradar.com for vintage and pre-owned watches.
So guys, if you have a Seiko Chronograph watch just like this one or a different model that features a few numbers here on the bezel or on the inner part of the watch, that means that you can use those numbers as a tachymeter function. So what this function does, it tells you, for example, either the average speed that you had over a kilometer, over a mile, over a fixed distance, or the speed that you are going with. And I'm going to show you how to use the tachymeter function. So one of the most important things is to have a certain fixed distance. So it can be a kilometer or a mile, and you can easily use the tachymeter function in order to get the speed in miles per hour or kilometers per hour. So let's say that I'm going to start the chronograph function when I am at the starting point. Now, if I'm going with the fixed speed, so the speed doesn't change, I don't accelerate or decelerate. So I'm going to hit the start at the beginning and I'm going to pause it once I am going the finish line. So once I have passed that 1 kilometer or 1 mile. And I'm going to take the first example and stop it right here. So as you can see, it took us 25 seconds. So it took us 25 seconds in order to go 1 mile or 1 kilometer. So if it took us around 26 seconds in order to go 1 kilometer, that means that I had a speed of around 140 kilometers per hour. If my speed fluctuated, so it was higher or lower, that means that I had an average speed of 140 kilometers per hour. Now, if it took us even longer, let's say 30 seconds, and I stopped the chronograph here, so right at 30 seconds. So in order to go, let's say 1 mile in 30 seconds, I would need a speed of 120 miles per hour. And as you can see, the longer it takes us, so for example, if it takes us a minute in order to go 1 kilometer, that means that I have a speed of 60 kilometers per hour. Or if it took us 60 seconds to go 1 mile, I would have a speed of 60 miles per hour. Now let's take a second example. Let's say that I was going even faster. So as you can see right here, if I pause it at around 7 seconds, so it means that in order to go 1 mile or 1 kilometer in 7 seconds, I would need to have a speed of 500 miles or kilometers per hour. So you can use the tachymeter function in order to see the exact speed in case the speed did not fluctuate. So if you were going constantly with 500 miles per hour from start to finish, it would take you around 7 seconds, maybe just a little more than that. If you want to see the average speed, once again, you might have had 1000 kilometers or miles per hour at some point, and at another point 200, 100, and so on. You would get the average speed that you had over that 1 kilometer or 1 mile over a period of 7 seconds. So that is how you can actually use the tachymeter function. So guys, that is how you use the tachymeter function on your Seiko Chronograph watch. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and see you on the next one.